In this video, we're going to be talking about how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. So, with that being said, let's get straight into the video. The first thing is going to be by checking your archive chat because normally when you delete it, it does sometimes head into the archive chat. And what you want to do is simply tap on the settings icon and click on archive chats. And as you can see, it will be shown right over here. The second thing you want to do is simply go ahead into your Facebook settings. So simply into your Facebook, tap on your profile, and then you can simply go ahead and head into your settings right over here. Once you're inside of your settings, what you want to do is simply go ahead and tap on Account Center, just like that, and tap on your information and permission. Simply click on Export Your Information, and what this will do is it will show you or it will export all the information that you have or Facebook has about you, whether it be messages, whether it be if you're liking someone's post, everything. So you can simply go ahead and check it through there. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.